Citizen police academies are community policing tools that build transparency, understanding, and trust between officers and civilians. CPAs help citizens learn firsthand how police operate, meet local officers, and understand their challenges. CPAs are free programs offered regularly to civilians, 18 and over with no criminal history. They usually run 10 to 12 weeks, meeting weekly for 2 to 3 hours. Applications include short essays to ensure participants join for the right reasons. Start with introductions, facility tours, and a question and answer session. Administrative tasks like waivers and ID badges can also be handled here. Civilians are often fascinated by simple areas like interview rooms or evidence lockers. Expose students to all aspects of police work, from patrols to investigations, weapons, and crime scenes. Stretch complex topics over 2 weeks if needed, but keep lessons engaging and diverse. Guest speakers should enjoy public interaction. Choose officers motivated to connect, not show off. Once officers experience CPAs, they often want to return. Combine lectures with hands-on training. Role-playing and simulation activities are especially popular with CPA students. Feature your department's best units, K9, SWAT, or specialized teams, to deliver an unforgettable experience. Even classroom-based sessions, like investigations or legal topics, can be engaging with real examples. Use real stories, cases, and media, like police videos, 911 calls, or crime scene photos, to keep students engaged. Detectives can guide students through evidence and investigation steps while encouraging them to analyze clues. Bottom line, don't just tell students how police work, show them.